At Winnoz, we believe that medical innovations should be accessible to everyone, especially when it comes to preventing life-threatening diseases such as cancer. So in that line, we have developed a disease risk assessment platform for nucleotide biomarkers detection with blood microsampling.
I think the source of the motivation is all about that my father died when I was 5 in cancer. I like to do something for cancer patients, especially their families. How? So I came up with an idea that we have a methodology technology which can do the prediction of cancer risk so that people can early know about cancer risk. Cancer detection, it's all about how are we going to detect what kind of biomarkers of a cancer. First is that how we can detect. Our science is all about we amplify the signal. So as the result that we don't need to do like DNA or RNA extractions from blood samples prior to the sensing, so that once the blood sample to be put in our device, and then we can do the detection. But the other regard will be what are the biomarkers we are going to detect. In this regard, we choose FDA approved biomarkers in that sense that the accuracy will be higher and the specificity will be more reliable. We like to provide cancer risk assessment, this technology to anyone at anywhere. How? So we come up with a platform technology. We have 2 devices and 1 AI.
We have a disease risk assessment platform. We have 2 devices. First, we call it HIME. HIME, we have a very unique technology that we can draw about 100 to 300 microliter of blood only in 1 minute. And then the blood we will put into our second device, we call it Aggie. The Aggie, we will run a PCR process and it will make the DNA double and double. Then we can detect the signal from the biomarkers stronger. And then we have a cloud, we call it Winnoz Cloud. The data will upload to our Winnoz Cloud and our Winnoz AI will analyze it.
AI will take the responsibility to do estimation of the risk. And for example, we actually do detections of several biomarkers of a certain disease. And then we have a very specific algorithm to do the calculation, and then we come up with a number, a risk score, and we will send that score to an individual. The customers can be like clinics, like hospitals, or even like for individuals. For now, we are considering to have like on-site stations. So it means that most people can reach, for example, like at mall, at pharmacy, at clinics. So we just need a small station, and then we put our devices there, and people go there to draw their blood, and then the blood will be analyzed, and then the data, the risk will be analyzed later in the cloud by using our AI. We have different strategies for different markets. For Japan, we like to help those aging people that before they have like stroke, they can use our technology to do the assessment to prevent to have stroke. For India, for example, malaria is a big thing, and so this technology can be helpful for like malaria surveillance. For US or like for Europe, like cardiovascular diseases to be very important, but they need our technology to do the risk assessment.
Our CEO's father passed away because of cancer, so he decided to invent a technology that can help people to survive against this mortal disease.
We have a dream. The dream is to help anyone to have the disease risk assessment anywhere. And this is a big dream. So it means we need more people share the same goal to go together. So in this regard, we are welcome like far-sighted investors to join us in order to realize the dream.
I feel very happy being at Winnoz because we work very hard day by day to provide the best solutions for people's well-being. We try to defeat cancer, and not only this disease, but many others. So I think that this is a really important service that we provide with love to people.
I feel honored and blessed in doing what we are doing. As I say, we have a goal. The goal is helping people to have disease risk assessment. I mean, it's a big dream. It's hard, but we are stubborn. We are persistent to make it reality.